In Texas, when we split a marital estate, the idea is to make a just and right division. Now, there's a lot of factors that go into what a just and right division is. And in many cases, if we're just not getting along anymore and there's been no bad behavior, there's not anything crazy going on, then that split is likely going to be pretty close to 50-50. But in certain situations, there may be more given to one spouse because of either bad behavior, say that one spouse was cruel to that other spouse, if that spouse is disabled or there was some family violence, if one spouse is working and the other spouse is not working and hasn't worked for some time and may have a difficulty getting a job, then you may see a swing of those assets. And now maybe you might be looking at 55-45, maybe as much as 60-40. Generally, you're not going to see huge swings unless there's some really bad stuff going on. Some examples of reasons why you might get more in your divorce. If your spouse has cheated and spent a lot of money on the person they were cheating with, either they rented an apartment or they were taking them on expensive trips, bought them expensive jewelry, those things a court hates to see. That's stealing from the marital estate. And that spouse who did those things will be punished in a way that the non-cheating spouse is going to be reimbursed essentially for their spouse's cheating. Now, the fact that one spouse cheated in and of itself is not a reason to sway that division very much. But if your spouse was spending money on their girlfriend or boyfriend, that is a reason why you might get a disproportionate split.